Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can set parental control in your Tecno smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to simply open your settings. Then you have to scroll down, click on parental control. Here it is set up parental control. Just you have to click on it and you will choose age appropriate content ratings, privacy settings and screen time rules for this device and your child or teen's Google account. You have to click on let's do this, select your Gmail ID, and from here you can get privacy settings and choose appropriate content rating. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.